Alright guys, another day, another trip na naman tayo sa Bacolod. Alright, located at Pagadian City. Anyway, Bacolod offers a peaceful view overlooking the park where open green spaces meet fresh air and quiet surroundings. It's a place to slow down, relax, and enjoy nature right outside your window. And wake up to calming park views at Bacolod where greenery, fresh air, and relaxed atmosphere come together, perfect for quiet mornings and laid-back afternoons. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo guys? Pumunta na kayo dito sa Bacolod overlooking Pagadian City. Alright, so refreshing dito. Ang ganda ng views, masarap ang foods, lalo na ang shake nila, the mango shake and everything. Alright, dito lang yan sa Bacolod overlooking. So ayan, kita ang town area, especially ang bagong mall, ang Robinson Pagadian. Alright, so guys, what are you waiting for? Alright, see ya, bye.